Thanks for sticking with us. Two experts want the community to be aware of the things they're buying and consuming so they can avoid overdosing for being poisoned. Gabby Womack is live in the newsroom to tell us what they recommend. Hi, Gabby.
Amaya, I spoke to a UVA expert and a recovery specialist from On Our Own Seville and say you can never be too careful. They broke down the truth about naloxone and drug testing strips.
I think we just need to be really careful and thoughtful about what we're advocating for.
Experts are warning people about the things they consume. From vape shops to buying products from the street, you can never be sure.
If you're a person who uses drugs, to always assume that fentanyl is present. That's just the safest way to go about doing things.
Jenny Kitchen works with On Our Own Seville, a peer recovery center. She recommends Narcan and drug testing strips. These strips can determine if fentanyl is present.
We want people who use drugs to know what they're taking before they take it, so that they can make choices about not using alone, which we suggest that no one ever use alone.
The director of the Blue Ridge Poison Center, Dr. Chris Holsteg, disagrees. He says while the intentions are there, it does not detect everything.
They're dangerous from my standpoint. The problem is there's other substances that actually are in these products that those testing strips don't test for.
What Holsteg does agree on is the effectiveness of Narcan, but the problem is knowing when to use it. Dr. Holsteg says proper training is needed. If someone is breathing and Narcan is used, it could be fatal.
May do harm because it may make them vomit and aspirate, and I've seen that in my clinical practice. And some of the patients have taken an opioid, but also another sedative, so they might put them into withdrawal.
If you are unsure of when and how to use Narcan, Dr. Holsteg says call 911 immediately and they will determine it. Live in the newsroom, Gabby Womack, 29 News at 6.